Hello everyone, this is Anupam from Leap Abroad. Today's presentation all about is Crimea Federal University, Russia is a good option for MBBS or not. This session will help you in selection of the university for your MBBS purpose. Kindly attend this session and you will get complete information about selection of correct university of your choice. When we talk about famous countries for MBBS, these are some names which comes in our mind, but we do at times it becomes very difficult to select a correct country according to your preferences. Usually, these are the certain criteria which are chosen by the students for selection of the university, which is not correct. For example, selecting a university purely basis on the basis of the tuition fee or a course duration. For example, certain countries are offering course duration of 5 years, but internationally usually MBBS is done by 6 years. So if you shortlist a country which are offering MBBS for 5 years, maybe you may end up in trouble, or it could happen that those courses are not listed with WHO or you're not eligible for taking international exam, or it be too stressful for you to complete a course in 5 years. So without proper information, you should not jump to the conclusion to select a country just based upon the course duration. If you are planning to go abroad, very likely you won't get Indian food as good as you get in India. Blindly following the references given by the relatives or the friend is also not a good criteria to choose your university. You should always take a cost estimate from the agent, but you should always check at what cost or what rate of exchange that cost estimate has been given. For example, around 4 or 5 years back, the USD exchange rate was around 50 or 60 rupees. Nowadays, USD is trading around 75 rupees. So any cost estimate given you at the rate of 60 or 70 is incorrect. In coming future also, the rate of exchange could go up, and which will also affect your overall budget. You should always check about any additional learning or entrance exams you have to clear before taking admission in that country or the university. So these are some right criteria to select the university, which will help you in making the correct decision. You should always check yourself about the listing of the university with MCI. There has been many instances in past when the student has taken admission in university which are not listed with MCI, and their whole career goes waste. Once they come back to India, they are not able to practice properly in India. If you are planning for an international career, you should check whether your university is listed with WHO, FAMER, USMLE before taking the admission. Apart from the university, you should always check that the MBBS course is also listed with the with WHO or not. If you ignore this step or take the admission in the universities which are not listed with WHO, your international career plan will be hampered because you won't be able to clear or even appear for any licensing exams of these countries if universities is not listed. There has been instances in countries like Russia where students are told about the teaching medium is English, but during the middle of their MBBS course, their teaching medium is changed to Russian. So it becomes very difficult for students to cope up, and it affects their passing chances also. We should always try to get unbiased reviews from the passport of the students, not from the students who has given interview to the agent. At times such interviews are given with the pressure, under the pressure of the university or the agent, or at times such reviews are not unbiased. Always check the tuition fee policy with the university. There has been instances when the agent has asked for all the 6-year tuition fees as lump sum, which is not the correct practice, and no university takes such fees in advance. If you pay such fees to your agent, it might happen that he will keep all the money and won't pay, end up in trouble. While getting selected in the university, you should always check whether any entrance exams or additional learning or passing exam you have to appear, which could be helpful in your career planning. And you should always take admission in the country which has good relationship and has stable and corruption free environment.